jealous, I don't mean I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But me, you can keep it like nobody knows it.
Hey my baby dolls, I'm so excited to be back to show you guys this RPG show hair, you guys. They never stir me wrong, so I'm super excited to show you guys everything I received in my package. First things first, of course we got the hair, and then we got something really nice, which is this Flyaways tamer. We also received some tape for the lace, and of course a wig cap, which I am going to use for the video. A band for the lace, and I love this right here, you guys. This will keep your hair stored in. It comes with a zipper attached so that you can zip it up and you can travel with it and just have your wig placed in something secure. And then this here just shows you everything you need to know about the unit that you have. A great breakdown of everything that you need to know. So I did apply my wig cap. I like this wig cap because it is tinted brown for me already. And you guys, like, get into, baby, the hair. I was so impressed with it right out of the box. Okay, it is pre-plucked for you. It has curls that are pre-ready for you. Like, I was so excited. It comes in the middle part ready for you to wear. I was just impressed with the color and the curls that it came with. I love the quality of the lace right out of the box. This is their new Maxipart 10x6 glueless wig. Okay, the lace is tinted transparent Swiss lace. This is their upgraded pre-plucked and pre-bleached hairline. The knots are invisible and it gives a realistic real scalp. Look how amazing that looks right on my skin. And this is the band that it comes with inside of the construction of the unit. You can adjust it. It's stretchy and comfortable to fit. And in the back here, it comes with your drawstring, elastic drawstring, which I am going to talk to you guys more about. I end up cutting the lace in a zigzag motion so that the hairline can look, of course, realistic and it doesn't give a box look. So I went ahead and put it on, and when I put it on, you guys, I was so amazed at how well the lace laid flat on its own. Like, look how flat it looks right on top. It is comfortable ear to ear, so look how good that fits right around the ear area. I love that, and how good the lace just lays flat on its own with no glue. That looks really good and natural looking. It just looks so realistic, and the comfort of it is really nice too. It's very comfortable. It's fitting me like it was designed for my head, like specially designed for me. The fit of the wig is just comfortable, and I just love how you don't have to use any glue. Like, look how, like, literally no glue. Look at that. I'm literally placing it on and off my head, and you guys can see how it just lays flat and it just melts right on my skin. This unit is a great density too as well. It is a 180 density. In the back here, like I was saying, it comes with elastic drawstring. Very easy to use. You just pull, and you're gonna feel that everything is going to basically just kind of go in. You're gonna feel how secure it makes the wig too as well. So as you guys can see, it's very neat in the back. There's no bulkiness, nothing is sticking out, there is no tracks or anything showing. You just pull the little string into the unit, you just tuck it in, and then everything is basically seamless. I love how neat it looks. You can do updos with this unit. You can do so much with this unit. I love how secure it feels and how natural the hairline is. Like, look, I'm putting my comb through the lace so you guys can see literally how it's looking like skin with no glue, because someone probably wouldn't believe it's no glue, but I had to put my comb through so you can believe it. I was so happy with it being such a great quality unit. And with the curls, I end up just finger combing the curls through. I love how it was long lasting too as well. Like I said, I love the density of the unit. Very full throughout the hair and super soft. There was no type of tangles or anything, so there's no worries on that. The density is perfect. It's very full, so as you guys can see all the way around, it's a great full of hair. This is 20 inches long, and the color is a mahogany brown, which is beautiful. It's like a red but like a brown at the same time. Like, the color on this is absolutely gorgeous, like perfect. Okay, well colored. I end up doing a little bit of layers. It comes with a tad bit of layer in the front, but I wanted to add a little layer for myself personally. These aren't the right scissors to use, but it got the job done. So I did a little bit of layering in the front, and then I went in with my curlers, which you guys are going to see, and I just recurled the front of it, and it curls really good, you guys. So you can use heat on this hair. This is 100% human hair, and I just wanted to see how it hold curls, and it hold up a curl really good. So my curls stayed in all night.
I need you to get the fuck on my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spinning like a great escape. I need no trick, gold eyes on chains.
I did use the tamer just a little bit, just because I honestly didn't have to use it. It came really well molded nicely on its own right out of the box. You can part it anywhere that you want. So this lace does give you a lot of space to part. Like, it really does. It gives you a wide range of space to part it wherever you want, and when you part it, you don't have to worry about plucking. So wherever you part is going to look great. I love the curls and how it came out. The quality is amazing. I love this hair. Let me know what you baby dolls think down below. The whole description of the details of this hair will be listed down below. I will definitely purchase. She is so worth it. Like, get it, make it a part of your collection, and I'll see baby dolls in my next video. Mwah.